Did you know elephants aren't all the same? Keep watching to uncover the surprising differences between Asian and African elephants. Asian elephants are smaller, with smoother skin and smaller ears. African elephants are larger, with wrinkly skin and massive fan-like ears. Asian elephants have a rounded back, while African elephants have a dipped back. Female Asian elephants rarely have tusks, but most African elephants do. African elephants have two finger-like projections on their trunks. Asian elephants only have one. Asian elephants prefer forests, while African elephants roam savannas. Now you can spot the difference between these gentle giants. Hit subscribe for more fascinating animal facts.